Hello guys, we got a gas water heater outside. Alright, can you use a switch as a mean of disconnect for a gas water heater? Yes, you can. As long as it's rated, everything is waterproof, you can lock it, you're perfectly fine. Okay, make sure everything is rated for it. You can definitely use a switch as a mean of disconnect for your gas water heater outside. What they did here, they put the home run inside the bell box. This right here, they put the home run inside the bell box, get a switch, then after that flex the leg of the switch in here with NMB. NMB is not rated for outside exposure. As long that you are using NMB, your NMB should be terminated inside of your bell box. Then you flexed over with CHHN. If you're dealing with your local inspector and you talk to them, your local inspector might give you maybe 2 feet, 3 feet to actually flex over. But the best way, and 100% you will pass inspection, it's terminate your NMB inside this bell box, then flexed over with CHHN wire. Okay, and then that would always be code compliance when you flexing over outside.